Hello, today I'm in Kia Soul. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can manage the radio. We can change radio source by the mode button, we can increase or decrease volume, and change radio stations by these two arrows buttons. Then, right here we can activate the voice assistant, answer and end calls. Next, we've got the trip button, thanks to which we can change the view of the instrument cluster display between trip A, trip B, and more trip info. Then we can reset those info, and in the end we can change driving mode between comfort, normal and sport. Then we've got the panel, thanks to which we can enable speed limiter and cruise control. Also we can increase the speed, decrease the speed or pause. Of course, if you press right here, you will use the horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.